Dear aspirants, we are here again with our next practice set. The exam session has already started. Our best wishes for all of you. These 40 questions are prepared following the question pattern. I hope these practice sets will also help you in your preparation. Now, without delay, let's start. The book An Era of Darkness is authored by Shashi Tharoor, Chetan Bhagat, Arundhati Roy, Devdutt Patnaik. And the answer is Shashi Tharoor. Shashi Tharoor's An Era of Darkness criticizes British colonial rule in India, highlighting its economic and social impacts. Who wrote the famous novel Godan? Munshi Premchand, Harivansh Rai Bachchan, Dhanpat Rai, Mahadevi Verma. And the answer is Munshi Premchand. Godan by Munshi Premchand is a classic Hindi novel depicting the struggles of rural Indian peasants, focusing on themes of poverty and social injustice. Who was the founder of the All India Muslim League? Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Syed Ahmed Khan, Aga Khan, Maulana Azad. And the answer is Aga Khan. The All India Muslim League, founded in 1906 under Aga Khan leadership, aimed to represent Muslim interests and later played a key role in Pakistan's creation. Who set up the Indian Home Rule League in London? Annie Besant, Tilak, Shyamji Krishnavarma, Dadabhai Naoroji. And the answer is Shyamji Krishnavarma. Shyamji Krishnavarma established the Indian Home Rule League in 1905 in London to advocate for Indian self-governance, inspiring revolutionary movements. Which of the following rivers does not form a delta? Ganga, Godavari, Narmada, Krishna. And the answer is Narmada. Unlike Ganga, Godavari and Krishna, Narmada flows westward and empties into the Arabian Sea without forming a delta due to its steep gradient. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coffee? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. The answer is Karnataka. Karnataka produces over 70% of the India's coffee, particularly in regions like Coorg, due to its favorable climate and hilly terrains. The Union Public Service Commission is mentioned in which part of the Constitution? Part 12, Part 13, Part 14, Part 15. And the answer is Part 14. Part 14 of the Indian Constitution outlines the UPSC's role in conducting civil service examination and appointments. Who was the first chairman of Rajya Sabha? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, S. Radhakrishnan, V.V. Giri. And the answer is S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a philosopher and statesman, served as the first chairman of Rajya Sabha and later India's second president. The President of India is elected by people directly, members of parliament only, electoral college, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And the answer is electoral college. The president is elected by an electoral college of MPs and state legislators, ensuring a representative democratic process. Who was the author of the novel Pride and Prejudice? Emily Bronte, Charlotte Bronte, Jane Austen, Mary Shelley. And the answer is Jane Austen. Published in 1813, Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen explores love, class, and social expectations in 19th century England. Who was the founder of the Arya Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dayananda Saraswati, Keshav Chandra Sen, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. The answer is Dayananda Saraswati. Dayananda Saraswati founded the Arya Samaj in 1875. It was a Hindu reform movement aimed at promoting Vedic values, rejecting idol worship, and advocating social reforms like education and equality. The title of Kaisar-i-Hind was given to Gandhi for role in Salt March, role in non-cooperation, services during Boer War, services during World War One. And the answer is services during World War One. Gandhi was awarded Kaiser-i-Hind Medal in 1915 by the British for humanitarian work, particularly for organizing ambulance units during World War One. The gas evolved during the reaction of zinc with dilute HCl is oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen. And the answer is hydrogen. So when zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, it produces zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So this is the reaction. Zn plus 2HCl equals to ZnCl2 plus H2. Which element is used in the manufacture of semiconductors? Copper, silicon, aluminum, iron. And the answer is silicon. Silicon is the primary element used in semiconductors due to its ability to form a crystalline structure and its electrical properties which allow precise control of conductivity. Which 5-year plan introduced the concept of inclusive growth? 8th plan, 9th plan, 10th plan, 11th plan. And the answer is 11th plan. The 11th 5-year plan aimed to reduce poverty, improve education, health, and ensure equitable development across all sections of society. The term hawala is associated with official trade, black money transfer, foreign trade, agricultural trade. The answer is black money transfer. Hawala is an informal money transfer system often used to move funds, including black money, bypassing formal banking channels, making it difficult to trace. Which institution issues treasury bills in India? Ministry of Finance, SEBI, Reserve Bank of India, NABARD. The answer is Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India issues treasury bills on behalf of Government of India to manage short-term liquidity needs. The capital of Kalinga before the Kalinga War was Toshali, Patliputra, Takshila, Ujjain, and the answer is Toshali. Tosali was the capital of the ancient Kalinga kingdom before the Kalinga War, as evidenced by historical records from Mauryan period. Who was the first Tirthankara of Jainism? Mahavir, Parshvanath, Rishabhnath, Neminath. The answer is Rishabhnath. Rishabhnath is considered the first of the 24 Tirthankaras in Jainism, credited with laying the foundation of Jain teachings and ascetic practices. The famous poet Kalidas was the court of Harshavardhana, Ashoka, Chandragupta I, Chandragupta II. The answer is Chandragupta II. Kalidas, the renowned Sanskrit poet, flourished during the reign of Chandragupta II in the Gupta Empire, known as the Golden Age of India. The term Varnashrama Dharma is associated with which text? Ramayana, Manusmriti, Mahabharata, Arthashastra. And the answer that you will tell us in the comment section. And if this series helped you in any way, please subscribe the channel to support us. India's first glass bridge built on sea is located in which state? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra. The answer is Tamil Nadu. India's first glass bridge over the sea was inaugurated in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, enhancing tourism near the Pamban Bridge. Raja Gopala Chidambaram passed away recently at 88. Was associated with which field? Nuclear science, space research, medical research, robotics. The answer is nuclear science. He was a prominent Indian nuclear scientist, instrumental in India's nuclear program including Pokhran II tests. Which organization introduced the Himkavach multi-layer clothing system? DRDO, ISRO, BARC, Indian Army. And the answer is DRDO. DRDO, or the Defense Research and Development Organization, developed Himkavach, a multi-layer clothing system for soldiers in extreme cold environments. PM Modi commissioned INS Surat, INS Nilgiri, and INS Wagh Shir in which city? Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Kochi, Mumbai. Answer is Mumbai. So in 2024, PM Modi commissioned these naval vessels in Mumbai, strengthening India's maritime capabilities. Satyendranath Bose Astronomical Observatory has been set up in which state? Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam. Answer is West Bengal. The observatory, named after physicist Satyendranath Bose, was established in West Bengal to promote astronomical research. Which country is known as the "Land of the Rising Sun"? China, Japan, Thailand, South Korea. Answer is Japan. Japan is called the "Land of Rising Sun" due to its geographical position, that is east of Asia, where sun rises first. The UNO formed in the year. Options are 1942, 1945, 1950, 1939. The answer is 1945. The United Nations Organization was established on October 24, 1945, after the World War II, to promote global peace, security, and cooperation among nations. Who composed Sare Jahan Se Acha? Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra, Muhammad Iqbal, Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer is Muhammad Iqbal. Muhammad Iqbal was a renowned poet who wrote Sare Jahan Se Acha in 1904, a patriotic poem that became a symbol of India's unity and pride. What is meant by dumping in international trade? Importing banned goods, selling goods at a loss in foreign markets, buying goods in bulk, selling low quality goods. The answer is selling goods at a loss in foreign markets. So dumping refers to exporting goods at prices lower than its domestic market value or production cost to capture foreign markets, often harming local industries. The law of diminishing marginal utility was given by Alfred Marshall, Adam Smith, J. B. Shea, Goshen, and the answer is Goshen. Hermann Heinrich Goshen formulated the law of diminishing marginal utility, which states that the additional satisfaction from consuming an extra unit of good decreases as the consumption increases. Which Indian river is known as the Dakshin Ganga? Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, Narmada. The answer is Godavari. Is the second longest river in India, often called the Dakshin Ganga due to its cultural and geographical significance to South India. What does a galvanometer measure? Resistance, voltage, current, capacitance. The answer is current. A galvanometer is an instrument designed to detect and measure small electric current in a circuit, often used in scientific experiments. Which quantity is conserved in an elastic collision? Momentum, kinetic energy, both A and B, only energy. Answer is both A and B. In an elastic collision, both momentum and kinetic energy are conserved, unlike inelastic collisions where only momentum is conserved. What is the magnetic field at the center of a current carrying circular loop? 0, maximum, minimum, infinity. The answer is maximum. According to Biot-Savart law, the magnetic field is strongest at the center of the current carrying circular loop and decreases as you move away. What is the power factor of a purely resistive circuit? 0, 1, 0.5, infinity. The answer is 1. So in purely resistive circuit, voltage and currents are in phase, resulting in power factor of 1 indicating maximum power efficiency. Which part of the electromagnetic spectrum is used in remote controls? X-ray, microwaves, infrared, ultraviolet. The answer is infrared. Remote controls use infrared waves for signal transmission as they are low energy, safe, and effective for short range communication. The powerhouse of the cell is ribosome, nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi body. And the answer is mitochondria. So mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they produce ATP, the cell's primary energy currency, through the cellular respiration. Which of the following organisms does not have a backbone? Snake, crocodile, earthworm, whale. Now it's your turn to answer the question. Please put your answer in the comment section. Our next question is, what is the IUPAC name of CH3CH2OH? Methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. The answer is ethanol. CH3CH2OH is a two-carbon alcohol with a hydroxyl group named ethanol according to IUPAC nomenclature derived from the alkane ethane. So aspirants, this is it for today. Stay with this channel for the rest of the series. The Telegram channel link is given in the comment section. You will get a printable PDF in there. Please subscribe for instant updates. See you in the next video. Thank you.